front of me is Realme GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings and tap on password and security. Now you need to tap on face section, enter your current login method and tap on continue. Following that, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now you can enable Raise to Wake feature or disable it by clicking on this switcher, and when you're ready, click on Done. Now adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to and click on Home button. When I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!